5.0, Set up and associate the VTESS. This terminal learning objective will contain the following enabling learning objectives. Set up the VTESS. Associate the VTESS components. To set up the SIM. After powering the SIM, the new installation screen will appear. To select a different vehicle type, select No. Go to the main menu. Set the Universal Controller Device, UCD, to Admin. Point the UCD at the laser detector and pull the trigger. If a notification appears, select the back button at the top left of the screen to return to the main menu. The Admin menu is now blue, indicating that it is accessible. Select the Admin button to display the Administrator menu. Select the Vehicle Selection menu. Select the Select Vehicle Type from the Vehicle Selection menu. Using the up and down buttons at the top of the screen, scroll through the menu to find the correct vehicle and select the desired vehicle. Using the up and down buttons at the top of the screen, scroll through the menu to find the correct variance of the vehicle and select the desired variance. After selecting the variance, the Vehicle Type Selection screen will appear. Select the blue Update button at the bottom of the screen. Vehicle information is updated when the Update button turns light blue. Select the back button. Verify the vehicle selection in the Vehicle Selection menu. To verify the system components are associated and have passed bit, conduct the following. Select the main menu. Select the Components tab at the top right of the screen. Use the up and down arrows, scroll the screen, and confirm all devices display a green check mark. Any component marked with a question mark may require the user to run a manual bit. Any component marked with an X will require the device to be repowered. Associate the VTESS components. The wireless LD is powered by two lithium 1.5-volt AA batteries that are inserted in the battery compartment located near the rear of the LD. Warning: for general handling, avoid mechanical and electrical abuse. Do not short battery or install it incorrectly. Batteries may explode or vent if disassembled, crushed, recharged, or exposed to high temperature. Do not mix battery systems such as alkaline and zinc carbon. Replace all batteries in the equipment at the same time. Do not carry batteries loose in pocket or bag. Do not remove battery labels. Ingestion. Swallowing a battery can be harmful. Contents of an open battery can cause serious chemical burns of the mouth, esophagus, and gastrointestinal tract. Inhalation. Contents of an open battery can cause respiratory irritation. Skin contact. Contents of an open battery can cause skin irritation and/or chemical burns. Eye contact. Contents of an open battery can cause severe eye irritation and chemical burns. To power on the LD, select the LDs and their locations. Open the battery cover of each LD. Insert two lithium 1.5-volt AA batteries for each LD, one LD at a time. Close the battery cover. On startup, the light-emitting diode LED sequence should be as follows. The green LED lights up for 0.5 seconds. Then the red LED lights up for 0.5 seconds. Then the green LED lights up for 3 seconds for built-in test bit pass, or the red LED lights up for 3 seconds for bit fail. To associate the LDs, conduct the following. On the SIM's system status screen, select Associate and Disassociate IR devices from the main screen. Select the appropriate device type, optional device status, and location from the drop-down menus on the Device Association screen. Select Associate button from the Device Association screen. Point the Crew Interface Module SIM at the front of the LD, holding it approximately 6 inches away when directed by the SIM. The LD LED will briefly flash green, then red. Then it will flash green twice per second, indicating that it is ready to receive the configuration code. Once it receives the configuration code, the green LED will stop flashing. It will illuminate green for 3 seconds to indicate a successful connection. If the LED illuminates red, try again by pressing the button on the front of the LD. Upon successful connection, the SIM will stop transmitting and the pop-up will automatically dismiss. Repeat for each LD and any desired optional left laser detectors. Once all required LDs have been associated, the CKM is configured to the system via LPAN IR using the SIM. The power on and associate sequences happen in rapid succession. Once the batteries have been installed and the CKM is powered on, there is a 5-second window to associate the CKM with the SIM. To power on the CKM, conduct the following. Open the battery compartment on the back of the CKM. Insert two lithium 1.5-volt AA batteries. Ensure the polarity matches the diagram in the battery compartment. The CKM LED will briefly flash green, then red. Then it will flash green twice per second, indicating that it is ready to receive the configuration code. Observe the device bit passes. Close the battery compartment. To associate the CKM to the SIM, conduct the following. Select the IR Association Setup screen. Select the device type. Click the Associate button. Point the SIM at the front of the CKM, holding it approximately 6 inches away. Once it receives the configuration code, the green LED will stop flashing. It will illuminate green for 3 seconds to indicate a successful connection. If the LED illuminates red, try again by removing a battery in the CKM and reinserting it.